Battle ropes. Great way to get the heart rate up, burn body fat, and overall, get in good shape like Coach Brady.
Battle ropes are a great tool to add cardio to your routine, and to me, they add some liveliness. They make it a little more fun. Everybody's gonna look at you in the gym because you're making all this noise. So there's a lot of different ways to do it. You can do reps, you can do time, 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. Not only is it gonna help you burn calories in the session, it's gonna help you burn calories after the session, right? It's called EPOC. So if you can get your heart rate elevated for long enough during the session, you're gonna be one of those people that everybody's jealous of. You got that high metabolism and you're just burning calories the rest of the day.
So setting it up is relatively simple. We have it right now set up on a 100-pound dumbbell just to make sure it doesn't move. You can do it on a squat rack, anything that the end that you're not holding on to is anchored. That way you don't have to worry about it. Different types of ropes, right? There's thick ropes, there's skinny ropes. Obviously, the thicker the rope, the more work you're gonna be doing, so you can just base it off there depending on the difficulty you want. Different exercises. I mean, basically the thing is you just wanna keep moving. Again, our intention with battle ropes is to boost our heart, or to raise our heart rate, boost our metabolism, so you just wanna continuously be moving. Very simple exercise. The first one, come into a nice athletic squat stance. You're gonna do one wave and the other, and then you're just gonna go fast. And you're gonna really try to slam the rope on the floor and be nice and fluid. Yeah. And relax. That's just the basic, the most easiest exercise to do. Next one, you just did one, now you're gonna do two. Same thing, you're gonna do double waves. Not so much of a slam, just trying to keep it nice and fluid. Fluid. Keep it nice and moving. Again, you can do reps, you can do sets. You just wanna keep on moving and relax. Next one is my personal favorite because it lets you take out some aggression. You may want to step a little bit closer to the rope so you have a little bit more space. This one is slams. The key on this one is to try to get triple extension. So you're extending the hips, you're standing straight, you're coming up on the toes, and your arms are coming up overhead, and on your exhale, you're slamming the rope down as hard as you can. So up, boom, two, boom, over the head, and he did it so hard that we actually dislodged our rope from the dumbbell, so give us a second. You slammed it too hard, it lifted the 100 pounds.
Yeah, it must have.
You got some strength on you, bro. Boom. You see how he's getting that triple extension? The heels are coming up, his arms are going over the head. He's really taking out his aggression, boom, using the breath. This is an amazing one. It also helps build some strength. The next one we got is, think about you're cutting someone's lawn and you got a couple of what are these called? Hedge cutters, and so you're gonna go one arm over and then apart, and then switch whichever arm goes in front. Yep, boom, boom. Staying in that nice low squat position. You're getting some chest action, some rear delt action as well. Continuously moving, trying to be as fluid as possible. And the last one we'll show you, there's many different exercises, but we're just showing you some of the five favorite, is you're just gonna draw circles with it. So you can do inner circles, and you can do outer circles. Boom. Battle ropes are a blast, they're fun, they're an easy way to get your heart rate up, get some good work done, but you know what else is? Our cardio fat shred program with Coach Barb. She's using all kinds of equipment in a full body workout that's guaranteed to make you work, get that heart rate up, and burn that stubborn body fat that you've wanted to get rid of. So go check that out. Have fun with battle ropes. I'm Coach Zach, here with Coach Brady, and we'll see you next time. Yeah.